ਹੁਣ
ਉਹ ਲੱਗੇ माशाल्लाह जी
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह
कैमरा मारो जनाब
Mr. Mohammad Sulaiman and Mr. Iftihar Chaudhry with us, and also Mr. Chaudhry Naveed. We are traveling from Ras Al Khaimah to Dubai. The rain was starting in the way. You can see a nice weather in June, July. Like the first time in the UAE that raining start. Before I ask Mr. Iftihar, he living here about 22 years, but he said that no rain in the June, July. A very nice weather, you can see. Emergency van patrolling because the weather change. You know, in the UAE normally no rain. After a long time, rain starts. Sewage system is not good. Therefore, because the rain is not here regularly, but in June, July, you cannot see the rain in the UAE. You see emergency? I think some problem here. All Java News followers requested that please follow us and like our page and subscribe my channel Java News Royal Alamgir, and visit most of the videos you can see on the channels like cultural, historical, and many things informative. You must, I advise and requesting you that you first visit my page Java News Royal Alamgir. It is your page, not my page. We are also working on the Facebook, WhatsApps, and Twitter. You can follow us. Thank you for watching us. Goodbye.